got the new viewing for y'all today. So right now, we're gonna have to figure out how to do this, right? You don't have to put that together. A little bit more. We're gonna take this. We're gonna see. Okay, almost there. Gotta give it a little bit more. See that? Y'all would probably do more, but we gonna see what works. All right, an hour later, and I put a hole in it, but we're getting to it. It's still straight, so it's as straight as I can make it. Ooh, that's not straight, motherfucker. Oh, wait. Oh shit. Damn it. Well, your boy is not a welder, but in the end, she's gonna hold. That's all we need. In the end, she's gonna hold. That's all we need. And she's straight. So, we good, we good. I mean, my welding ain't pretty, but it was better than the other side. In my opinion, it was better than the other side. I didn't go through the fucking tube. I turned it down, but that's straight as I can get it, and it's level.